Maybe someday all my wounds will mend when I got rose on my chin and I'm wearing the pants. I've tried everything, but this feeling won't end. No wonder darkness has slowly become my best friend. Confusion is my brother, I'm the son of desperation. Lost is my desire, I'm still searching for a motivation. Every morning I wake up, I pray I can stay in bed. Sleep can be so peaceful, so good for the head. I've been putting off everything every day till the end of time. My friends think they are psychic or can try